So I can tell by the smiles, gentlemen, that you kind of like this, being able to see the true size and scope of the digital signage industry. Great.
Yep.
Kind of cool. Yeah. Some of the neat installs. So let me show you this one. Okay. When you're looking at digital signage installs and you're doing messaging, sometimes you can do really cool ones like curves. So check this out. Okay. So they have their brand going around. Here's all the backdrop. And you now know how to do this. If you think about it, okay, you could do this as a video for sure. You could also do this as a transparent PNG on top of the video, right, Arby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's really, once you know what you're looking at, it seems amazing, but it's really not all that complicated, right? It really isn't. And take a look at this. These are some frames, so there's, frame 1, 2, 3. And again, look at what they're doing for the contrast. Can't stress enough how important that is. If they put a stark white up here, everybody would leave the booth because it's just so bright. But as it is, because it's mostly a dark backdrop, it makes it really nice just for a background for everybody. Understood?
Yes.
Now, let's talk about transparent forms as well. So when you're looking at high-end installs where it's a bit of a wow factor, you can do what's called transparent LED. That's what this is here. Now, the holographic kind of effect only works because of the black. If you don't have the black, this thing would just look, oh, it's like a big red canvas. Okay? But notice that all the black areas you kind of see through it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that is huge. That's why these guys are so interested in it here in behind the scenes, right? Okay, what is this? It's because these are, again, like once you know what you're doing, you can put these together and do this kind of install in the Philippines. No problem at all. In fact, when I'm looking at this, this is actually really quite nice because I think what this is a rental solution. So this is designed that's just these panels one after the other. Now notice that you can see through it. See that?
Yep.
So from one side, it's got spaces between the panels, and from the other side, whoa!
Yeah, it's so cool.
Imagine how this would stop traffic in General Santos City. Imagine what this would do in Davao. Okay, just because nobody's seen this yet. You think, wow, what is that? Now let's talk about this one before we end off the video again. So this is that pylon, and look, because of the dark contrast now, you see what it does. That dark contrast makes it almost look like it's breathing. See that?
Mm-hmm.
This is perfect for messaging around a cement pylon. You look around in General Santos City, you look around in Davao, buildings, on the outside of buildings, very often they have cement pylons. That's really what this is made. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Doing messaging. Go around a pylon. Okay, let's go off to the next booth, but I hope you like that, enjoyed that introduction to more about digital signage at the LDI Trade Show 20.